This is the very good event to bring the industrial expert, technology provider, technology enablers to come into one place, to share their experience, to share their knowledge.
METALTECH is one of the biggest metal show in Malaysia that we can actually put our presence and to launch our products in this Malaysian market.
METALTECH is very focused on industry innovation and revolution solutions. Every time when we come, we receive a lot of response customers.
We really want to take advantage of this event. First to network, and also we will have a good opportunity for us to explain to our potential customer.
METALTECH is like a platform for us to reconnect with our existing customer and also a platform to find new customers as well.
So METALTECH is making a good role for the industry since many companies are coming out here showing their brands and also their products.
There are so many potential customers who are very good demand customers are gathering here. So that's very good for us to show and explain our technology to so many customers.
It's a good place to come to pick up new suppliers and learn about new trends in the industry.
Excellent. The more automations is very much improving, and I see new technology really coming up from various parts of the world.
METALTECH 这场展会专业性比较强，然后对于我们的这个扩展客户以及品牌推广影响，感觉是非常好的。
METALTECH and AUTOMEX has established itself as the premier platform in this amazing and innovative industry, with professionals from across the entire manufacturing spectrum.